5 Best Exercises for Full Body Workouts. 1. Deadlift. The deadlift could very well be the most important movement you learn throughout your lifting career. It is a hip hinge movement that builds the entire posterior chain. Perfecting your deadlift form and becoming relatively strong at the exercise lends itself very well to keeping one healthy and injury-free throughout life. 2. Squat. The squat is another classic exercise you'll find in most workout routines online. It is a compound exercise that trains a very fundamental movement pattern. 3. Row. The barbell bent over row is an often overlooked exercise, but there's a reason the golden era bodybuilders performed them consistently. They're an absolute back mass building exercise. 4. Bench press. To round out the aesthetic appearance, you need to include some of the press movements into your routine. Unfortunately for some, especially beginners, it's easier to focus on the press movements while neglecting the 3 prioritized higher on this list. 5. Overhead press. The final movement pattern everyone should include into their full body workout routines is the overhead press. The overhead press trains the important vertical push movement pattern.